Hi friends, this is Mandeep. Now we are going to see heading tags. We have 6 heading tags. The first one is H1 and here I am writing welcome. Save it. I will open this one. The content which is in the head1 heading tags is always in bold and the font size of this heading tag is 24 pixels. The font size of the heading tag H1 is 24 pixels and it is block level element. Heading tag is called as block level element also. Okay. Now the content which is in the head 2 is 20 pixels. The font size. Like that we have 6 heading tags H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Next H5, H6. The font size of the H6 is 12 pixels and the font size of H1 is 24 pixels and the font size of H5 is 14 pixels. The font size of H4 is 18 pixels. The font size of H3 is 20 pixels. The font size of H2 is 22 pixels. Now refresh the page and you can see the output here. But if you observe the content which is in the heading tags, always it is in bold. Always it is in bold letters. These are the heading tags we have. And next one is displaying multiple lines of content. Next one is displaying multiple lines of content. To display the multiple lines of content, mostly we are using paragraph tag and PRE tag and block quote tag. Block quote tag. The P means paragraph, PRE means pre-formatted text, and block quote means it is also like paragraph only. I will tell you the difference between these three things now. Okay. First one is paragraph. Okay, in that paragraph, what I am doing, I'll just I am writing some content in the paragraph tag. In the paragraph, what I am doing, I am writing some content. Now save it, and then here you can see the output. Yes, here we are mostly to display the multiple lines of content we are using P tag. P means paragraph. In the P tag, now we have lot of content. Refresh, now the output is like this. If you observe, the alignment at left side is looking good, but at right side it is not looking good. Okay, now I want perfect alignment on right side also. Then what I will do, how do we have an option? What is that? Align. We have that option, that is align right. Okay, if you use align right, if you use align right, yes, now you are getting the perfect element on the right side, but at left side you are not getting. And we have one more option we can use, that is, oh sorry, we have one more option, that is center. Save it and refresh. Now you are not getting the perfect element on both sides. The whole content is adjusting to the center. Now I am using justify, justify. Justify. In CSS we are using text align justify. These are the options we have: left, right, center, justify. In alignment we can use these four options as values, and that is paragraph. Okay, if you observe, after this what I am doing, here we have 5 spaces, but by default it will print only one space. After this, if you observe, here we have only one space, we don't have more than one space. That means the paragraph will not print the more than one space. Okay, in between two words. If you want to print space, we have one more option, that is ampersand NBSP semicolon. NBSP means non-breaking space. What will give? Here it will display the space. To display the space we are using ampersand NBSP to give the space. Okay, that is NBSP. And if you observe, after you and you press enter. Now if you observe, please read them is in the next line. But here will you get, it will not work. If you want to make it work, you have to use br tag, otherwise it will not work. That means by default the paragraph will not print these tab spaces and more than one spaces, and it will not print the next lines. Okay, but the pre tag, that means pre means pre-formatted text, the pre tag can print those things. Okay, I will show you the difference now. Okay, I will delete this content and I will show you the difference. Delete. Here in this p tag, name, sorry, name, marks, next number. Just here I am writing like this. Now in next line it is like this. Name is money, and marks is something, and number is something. Okay, now refresh the page. How, check the output. If you observe, it is not in the entered format, it is not in the given format. To display the content in the given format, we are using pre tag. Pre means pre-formatted text. If you won't have any doubt, just take it, copy and then paste, save it and then refresh. Now it is like this. Okay, better to use more spaces. Now you will get, yes, here it is printing. That means here it will print the tab spaces, it will print more than one spaces, and it will print enter buttons also. That is the difference between p tag and pre tag. Okay, next in this paragraph what I am doing, okay, now I want to show you the difference between paragraph tag and block code tag. Copy the content and paste it. Here we have some content in the paragraph. This is which is in the paragraph. Okay, now after the paragraph what I am doing, I will display, I want to show you block code tag. Block code tag. In that block code tag also I am keeping the same content. Now you can say the difference. What is the difference between paragraph tag and block tag. Just see the output, just check the output and then send. Now the content which is in the first paragraph is p tag, the content which is in the second paragraph is block code tag. That means here what it is doing, the block code tag will give margin left 40 pixels and margin right 40 pixels, but the paragraph tag will not give the margins. It will give the margin, but it's very less, like 8 pixels or 5 pixels, something like that. These are the basic tags we have in the HTML. Thank you friends.